Out of that house, but you know, you kept saying,
Yes.
it changed.
Right, so let's just go back to the beginning, just kind of tell everybody our little story here. How did it all start? I mean, Clint called us, right? It was Clint, and Clint how is he related to y'all?
He's my like adopted son. 'Cause
Okay, gotcha.
He takes care of everything.
Yeah, so he called us and he was trying to help y'all
Right.
sell the house and get out of there and everything. And I mean, how long have y'all been there at the house?
18 years.
18 years. I mean, it was just obviously started to be a bad situation. The house was getting in bad shape and it was getting depressing, huh?
Oh, it was real depressing.
Very.
And so it just kind of went downhill there from there, or?
Well, it had already been going down here because prior to that, my stepmother had passed away, and my nephew passed away, and his wife passed away. I mean, it was like the whole family
Like
was done.
everybody was.
And then, because we're the only ones that had a house, everything was getting shoved in our house. And I knew, David, that was it. I said, I cannot live in this house. This is the house of the dead.
So that's whenever y'all decided, I mean, we really got to make a move, right?
We had to get out of there or we were going to die in there.
Yeah.
And then the 8 cats was just.
It was
And so
too
we had
much.
8 cats in there, and how many dogs?
3 until the old one died.
Gotcha. So we had a lot of animals in there. House was getting in bad shape, and y'all wanted to move, but it was a struggle at the same time. We were really trying to help you get out of the house, right? And so there's a you know, you're excited for our help on that sense, right?
Oh, I sure was, honey. More than you know.
Yeah.
These apartments are just different.
Yeah. Well, at least that's working out a little bit for you, but a lot better situation than the house, huh?
Oh, honey, a lot.
Awesome. So, if you wouldn't mind, just tell everybody in your own words, maybe how we helped.
Well, at the beginning, it was very overwhelming to sell the
Yes.
house, you know.
Yes.
And then, as Clint stepped away, my son, adopted son,
God, he was too pressured.
Yeah.
he was too much pressure on me.
Yeah, he was pushing y'all hard.
I couldn't do
Yes.
it. So anyway, Clint stepped out of the picture, and then there was just you and I, and you just kept saying, Dolores, do your thing and make it happen, and I'll be right here if you need me.
That's right.
And you were either on the phone or you would show up wherever I was at, and we'd get it done. And so through the whole process, that's what we did.
That was good, right? So we went out and found an apartment together.
Yep.
Yeah, we went over there, filled out the application. I even brought you the money, right, that one time
Oh my gosh.
to pay for it, you know. So we were
I was
trying to
the
help
most
get it
appreciative
done, you
ever.
know.
Yeah.
And we just want to relay the message to everybody else out there that we're here to help, you know.
Oh,
it's-
and you helped good.
I appreciate that, and that's what we
Yeah.
want everybody to understand is we understand not every situation is easy, and that's our niche where we come in and we can do a couple things, you know, do apartment locating, get you into a spot,
Right.
and you know, you can leave everything at the house. We didn't have to do anything crazy there,
Nope.
and it was pretty much an easy process altogether.
It was
So,
for us.
I'm really excited that we were able to help y'all, you know, get out of really that depressing spot. We're in a better spot.
Right.
And now we're working our way to maybe buying a house. We're looking into buying a
Yes.
house. Going to talk to our loan officer and go through the transition of the apartment to maybe now new home that's in a lot better condition, and now we
Right.
can be where we want to be.
Right.
Right. Not only in real estate have we helped you. I mean, what's another little thing that you've been going on here? You got a water bottle?
I have one right here.
So, what just, I mean, tell us your little crazy
Drink
story.
me 10 times, look.
That's right. We want to make sure you drink enough of it, right?
That's right.
So, I just want everybody to see.
Stay hydrated.
Look at the difference of her arms. I mean, so your other arm looked like this arm, correct?
Yes.
And you started drinking the water. You weren't
Yeah.
drinking it a whole lot. You always gave you some gallons here and there, right?
Right.
And you saw this arm completely clear
This
up.
one did.
And what is it that the doctor said was happening here with your arm?
Well, psoriasis was one,
Mm-hmm.
and then he's not really sure, because he's thinking
The doctor doesn't know.
No, because he's thinking of sending me to a dermatologist. Right now, he has me on an antibiotic, is making me more sick than better.
Perfect.
Yes, it is.
And
That makes sense.
and that was one of the reasons I said, you know what, we're going back to this one.
That's right. So, how long had this arm been kind of like that arm before? Like, how long had you been dealing with that?
About a year.
About a year, and it gotten worse, and you had.
Well, every time I shower, like I showered this morning, okay? So all of the scabs will come off, and some of them will bleed, some won't, as you can see, and then they grow back. You know, they scab over again, and then the process starts again. So it never heals.
It never truly heals.
It
Yeah, she
never
needs a shower.
closes.
Yeah.
And see all the white and stuff? It's just dryness.
You've seen the difference in drinking the water. You've been trying these things that the doctor's giving you. They're not working. But just a couple gallons of water, and I mean, you're really putting that on the water. I mean, is there anything else that you changed that it could have been? No. I mean, you're pretty confident in the water. That's why you're coming in today, and
I'm gonna buy me a machine.
You're gonna buy a machine, and you're on Social Security, right? You know, we're not making a ton of money, but you understand that this is a huge health benefit to you, correct?
Yes.
And it's enough to where you want to take this money and you want to buy this life-changing machine.
Yeah.
I would like to.
Awesome. Well, we're excited that we got to help you with the house. We're excited we got to help you with some health issues. And we're excited to continue to grow our relationship, buy you the house. Maybe we can get you into the house. We're going to get you this machine. And we're going to go from a whole different point in life that we were at to a much better spot. Am I right?
Right.
Right. And so we're super excited that we even get to hang out with you after buying the house. As you can see, it's going much further than just buying your house. And we're excited about that. So thank y'all for coming in.
We are too.
Yes.
I need some water.
Yeah.
That's right. Well, thanks for coming in. Thanks for hanging out with us. And high five, Dolores.
Bye.
That's right.